What's up, everybody? Jay here again with TLCMKT.com. Back again with another dashcam video for you. This one comes to us from a fleet owner where one of his drivers makes a decision that not only could have been costly, but fatal. So this one comes to us from the off-ramp of the Manhattan Bridge, Brooklyn side. As you can see, the driver is in traffic, and if you know the area well, this is nothing out of the ordinary. Now you see the driver take it upon himself to cross the solid double yellow lines, driving down the wrong side of the roadway. It appears the driver's impatience was an unfortunate mistake. Police were called to the scene and info was exchanged, but no serious injuries occurred. Driving rideshare in New York City, your passengers often want to get to their destination quicker, as well as the driver. But always remember, waiting those extra few minutes can make all the difference. The driver, who had a clean driving record up until then, will experience an increased insurance premium for years due to this one misjudgment. Stay safe, folks. Are you a TLC driver who has dashcam footage that you want to share? Reach out to us at info@tlcmkt.com. Every video sent to us that receives 1,000 views in the first 15 days will receive a $50 gas card. Don't forget to hit that like button and click to subscribe for more videos like this.